Number 1. 1970 Ford F-250, $2,500, Olympia, Washington. This 1970 Ford F-250 represents an affordable entry into the classic heavy-duty pickup segment. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it reflects the durability and straightforward engineering Ford trucks were known for during this era. However, this example is currently not running and has been parked for approximately a decade, which suggests that significant mechanical recommissioning will be required. The reported rust in the bed is typical for trucks of this age, but appears potentially repairable. With 112,500 miles and a clean title, this truck is best suited for a restoration project or parts donor. Early 1970s Ford trucks are gaining appreciation among collectors, especially when restored properly. Number 2. 1985 Toyota 2WD Extra Cab Short Bed, $1,700, Moses Lake, Washington. This 1985 Toyota pickup is a classic compact truck project, powered by the highly regarded 22R engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for reliability and simplicity, the 22R engine remains a favorite among enthusiasts. This example runs but requires tuning, and shows typical wear including high chassis mileage, cosmetic deterioration, and interior incompleteness. Mechanical concerns such as valve guide wear and carburetor issues should be addressed. Despite its rough condition, these mid-1980s Toyota trucks are increasingly collectible due to their durability and strong aftermarket support, making this a viable project for an experienced restorer. Number 3. 1971 GMC C40 dump truck, $2,200, Berkeley, California. A functional and work-ready classic, this 1971 GMC C40 dump truck is powered by a V8 engine with a manual transmission and retains its operational power takeoff dump bed. With only 69,000 miles, it stands out as a low-mileage commercial vehicle. The truck reportedly runs well and can be driven away, making it immediately usable. However, outstanding Department of Motor Vehicles fees should be considered in the total cost. Classic medium-duty trucks like the C40 are less common in the collector market, but are valued for utility and rugged construction. Number 4. 1986 Ford F-250 4x4, $4,500, Sheridan, California. This 1986 Ford F-250 long bed four-wheel drive has undergone extensive recent maintenance, including new brake components, fuel systems, and a rebuilt carburetor. However, the 460 cubic inch V8 engine is currently seized, significantly impacting its usability. The truck features desirable four-wheel drive capability and a solid platform for restoration. Given the investment already made in supporting systems, replacing or rebuilding the engine could yield a capable and valuable classic work truck. The clean title and relatively low mileage add to its appeal. Number 5. 1987 Ford F-150 XLT, $6,750, Peoria, Arizona. This 1987 Ford F-150 XLT is a well-preserved and highly functional example of a late 1980s full-size pickup. Powered by a 5.8-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and reliability. The truck is described as clean, with all features functioning properly, including power accessories and air conditioning. With 138,000 miles and no reported issues, it stands out as a ready-to-drive classic. Trucks from this era are increasingly popular due to their balance of classic styling and modern usability, making this a strong value. Number 6. 1986 Toyota Pickup 4x4, $8,000, Espanola, New Mexico. This 1986 Toyota Pickup four-wheel drive is a desirable model known for its off-road capability and long-term reliability. It features a fuel-injected engine and a relatively recent crate engine and clutch replacement, which significantly enhance its mechanical value. Although the odometer is non-functional, the drivetrain is reported to have low mileage. Minor cosmetic imperfections are noted, but they do not affect performance. These trucks are highly sought after in the collector and off-road communities, making this a strong candidate for both utility and appreciation. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet C30 Crew Cab, $8,500, Olathe, Kansas. A rare and distinctive 1986 Chevrolet C30 Crew Cab, this truck features an original body with an upgraded 327 cubic inch V8 engine, sourced from a late 1960s performance application. Paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it offers strong driving performance. The truck runs well but requires rear brake work and rocker panel replacement. Its originality, solid structure, and unique configuration make it appealing to collectors looking for a classic heavy-duty crew cab with character. Number 8. 1979 Ford F-150 Custom, $8,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1979 Ford F-150 Custom is a 6th-generation dent-side truck, a highly regarded body style among enthusiasts. Powered by a 4.9-liter inline-6 engine with a manual transmission, it offers smooth operation and proven reliability. The truck is largely rust-free, with a clean interior and functional mechanical systems. While the odometer reading is uncertain and the paint requires attention, the truck's originality and condition make it a strong candidate for light restoration or continued use. Dent-side trucks are increasingly collectible in the classic truck market. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet C20 Flatbed, $11,000, Auburn, California. This 1963 Chevrolet C20 Flatbed truck represents an early 1960s workhorse with classic styling and utility. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it maintains its original hydraulic flatbed functionality. The custom cab adds uniqueness, while the truck reportedly runs well. With 37,000 miles and a clean title, it offers both usability and collector appeal. Early 1960s Chevrolet trucks are valued for their simplicity and iconic design. Number 10. 1977 Ford F-150 4x4, $8,500, Kalispell, Montana. This 1977 Ford F-150 is a solid four-wheel drive example powered by a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a manual transmission. It runs and drives well, with numerous recent mechanical updates including key engine components. The truck remains largely rust-free and has not been exposed to winter conditions in recent years, which is a significant advantage. Minor issues such as a leaking steering box should be addressed. This generation of Ford trucks is highly desirable among collectors, particularly in four-wheel drive configuration. Number 11. 1971 GMC 1500 Long Bed, $7,500, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1971 GMC 1500 Long Bed is equipped with a 402 cubic inch big block V8 engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission, offering strong performance potential. With a 12-bolt rear end and solid foundation, it is described as a good builder project. The truck has a clean title and 140,000 miles, making it a viable candidate for restoration or customization. Early 1970s GMC trucks share design heritage with Chevrolet models and are increasingly appreciated in the classic truck market.